So let's take a look at the following example. So we are asked to graph f of x equals 5 sine 2x minus 3 pi, and then the vertical shift being minus 2. I like to start with the easiest part, y-intercept, so minus 2, and then we know that 5 sine means the amplitude is 5, so from negative 2 positive 3 is 5. So that's the easy bit. Now for the somewhat tricky part, we know that the face is 2x minus 3. Okay, so the first part to answer here would be, what number do we need to multiply by 2 to get 3 pi? And, well, it's 1.5, right? So that'll be 3 pi over 2. And then for the second part, to get our period of the function, it's 2 pi over what number? 2. And this might be obvious, I have good for you. Let's try inputting pi. We know that if we put pi here, these will cancel out. But we want it as a fraction. So pi over 1, that's fine, as multiplying by the reciprocal. So 2 pi times 1 over pi equals 2 pi over pi. Pi's cancel out, you're left with just 2. Okay, so to answer the question, what is the period of our function? It's just pi, and then the actual offset will be 3 pi over 2. By offset I mean the horizontal distance, so x-axis distance between our... Okay, so as our complete period is pi and our offset is negative 3 pi over 2, and remember that we are talking about a sine function here, so the offset happens from x equals 0 from this point here to the midline point. So it will be, so the midline point will end up being 3 pi over 2 to the right. As it's negative, it goes to the right. If it was plus 3 pi over 2, we'd be talking about going to the left. So our coordinates for the first point is 3 pi over 2 and negative 2 on the y-axis. Coordinates for the second point would be 7 pi over 8 and positive 3 for the y-axis.